Hey, this is Chris with AffiliateTuber.com. Today I'm talking to you about WP Video Machine. This is a WordPress plugin that will take your WordPress post, convert them into video, upload them to YouTube, and share them on social sites. So before we dive into it, I'm going to give you a breakdown of what I'm going to be talking about. So first of all, I'm going to take you inside and give you a brief tour of the plugin, how it works and what it does. Then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the upsells, the differences in them. And then I'm going to share with you some exclusive bonuses, some video training that I made exclusively for those who buys WP Video Machine through my link, which is directly under this video in the description box. So if that interests you, be sure you use the link under my video when you buy this product if you want to get my bonuses, which I'll talk about here in a few minutes. So WP Video Machine is like any other WordPress plugin. You're going to download it, you're going to upload it to your WordPress site and install it and activate it. And when you do, you're going to have this little link over here on the left hand side that says WP Video Machine. And there's going to be a few links here. And the one you want to start with is your settings. And this is going to be the most complicated part about the entire process, but they have it laid out and explain exactly what to do. So just follow it step by step and you shouldn't have any issues. And that is integrating YouTube with your WordPress site or with the WordPress plugin. And what this does is it allows WP Video Machine, this plugin, to take your post, convert it, and then to automatically upload it to your YouTube channel without you actually leaving your website. You don't have to go to YouTube to upload it. And so what you have to do is you have to have a client ID and a client secret. And to do this, you just follow the outline given here. You just click this, it opens up a link, and it takes you step by step and explains to you and shows you exactly how to do that. And once that's done, you can go to your social tabs and you can fill out all of your social profiles. And what this is going to do is it's going to share your videos on these social sites once they're uploaded to YouTube. And so how this works is we can go to videos, and you can see one here that I'm doing right now. And it actually just got done processed, which is great because we're going to review it here in just a minute. But what you want to do is when you go to videos, you can come over here and you can start a new video from scratch. You can actually make a video that's not even from a post. You can just give it a name. You can add your own content to it. You can come down here and click add images and add images that you have already on your website. Or you can click this link over here that you'll notice says WP Video Machine. And you can do a search for any keyword and it's going to give you a bunch of images back from, I think it's like pixabay.com, which are free images and they're really good quality. And you can use those to create a slideshow, or not a slideshow, but a video from those images. And so if you want to create just a video by itself, that's what you do. But if you want to create a video from one of your posts you already have, you're going to go to Posts. And these are the posts that I have on my site. And you're just going to find the one you want to make a video of, and you're going to click Create Video. Now if you're not sure what the post looks like, if you can't remember, you can always click the preview button and it'll show you exactly what the post is and what it looks like. Now this page here does not have any images on it. So when I made my video, I had to actually go in and use the WP Video Machine and do a search for images and add images to it to make my video since I didn't have any. So, but all you have to do is click Create Video, and what it's going to do is it's going to automatically take the title and use it as the video name. It's going to pull in all the content from your post and put it in here. And so this would make a very long video, and it may even take a long time for it to render. I'm not sure how long having all this text would take to make the video, but you can always change it. You can take some of this out, you can change it to whatever you want it to be. Add your images, you can add extra images, and then when you're done you just click Create Video and it's going to create it for you. Now if you go up here to the Audio tab, you're going to see here some options where it will allow you to convert the text to speech, so it'll actually speak out all the text that you have on your page within the video, and it will do it with a text overlay, so they'll be able to see the text really easy as it's reading it. You can choose the font, the color, and the background color of the overlay as well. Now as for the audio, you can also choose the language: English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, or Brazilian Portuguese. You can choose whether it's male or female, and you can even add background music. You can choose from a random track, all mixed up. There's a bunch of them here, and I think that there's actually a few hundred of them. So they're not all listed here, but if you choose the random, I think it just randomly picks one of them. The video settings lets you disable animations. I'd recommend keeping the animations. It just makes your video look a little better. The video quality, you can choose from standard, 720, or 1080. The style, we already talked about that. And then upload. Upload to YouTube. It says check this to upload the generated video to YouTube. So if you tick this box, it's going to have all the details here, and you just choose whether you want it public, private, unlisted. Choose your category. You can get tags automatically or enter them here, and that's all you have to do. And so that's how easy it is. So what I want to do is I want to go back here to the video that I made for the Evergreen Webinar plugin. Let's click on video info. Okay, we can see the video here, and I'm going to play it just for a few seconds.
It's rare to find a deal like this, so I had to do a review and explain a little about what this nifty tool does. This is a product called Evergreen Webinar plugin and is made for WordPress. The best part? You can pick it up below for just $10.99 if still available.
Okay, so you can see the quality of the video is actually pretty decent. It has good background music, and the voiceover is much better than what I was expecting it to be. The technology with voiceover is just getting really, really good. I don't know if they have it integrated with like Amazon Poly technology to do that, but it does sound really good. And so the main purpose of this, the main purpose of WP Video Machine is taking your unique content from your post, making a YouTube video, and getting it uploaded on YouTube's platform, where you're going to be having traffic coming in, seeing this video, and redirecting them to your post. So it's a way to leverage a lot of extra traffic from YouTube without doing much extra work. And then of course, when you share it on the social sites as well through the plugin, it's even going to intensify the traffic that much more. And so that's all you have to do. It's super easy to use. Anybody can use this and learn it. The tutorials are great, the step-by-step instructions. You don't have to worry about getting hung up because everything is just laid out for you. Now let me talk to you just a little bit about the upsells. Okay, so this here, this first column on the left-hand side is the basic tool itself, and I think it's going to be $27. I'm pretty sure that's all it's going to be. So super cheap price for this. And you can see here what you get for it. It'll turn your blog post into a video. And also, I forgot to mention, when it makes this YouTube post, it puts the link in there back to your post too. So when they visit your YouTube video, if traffic does, they're going to see that link, which is going to redirect them to your post if they click on it, but it's also giving you a backlink to your post, a pretty powerful backlink that's also going to help your rankings, a better chance of ranking in Google. And so you can see here what all it does. Now, the upsell version of this, I don't know how much the upsell is going to cost. There's no price on this, but it allows you to create videos also from other types of post types. So whereas your normal WordPress post is just that, it's a post, you can upgrade and also make videos from pages or WooCommerce products and other types of posts. And so you can create a video page for each video for more content, for more SEO. You can create custom videos without having post or page content on your site. You can download MP3 audio only versions of your post. And it also gives you the ability to automatically upload to Vimeo and Dailymotion. And these are huge. I've been using Vimeo a lot lately, and it's actually has a ton of authority. And so if you don't have a Vimeo account and you're in video marketing, I highly recommend you get a Vimeo account and a Dailymotion and start using them as well as YouTube. You can auto upload to multiple YouTube accounts. You can share the video on social media sites, spin article content. There's just a lot of extra stuff you can do. And you can add affiliate links in your YouTube videos. You can read through there and see what all it does. But that's the upsell. I don't know if they have other upsells other than this. This is the only one that I'm aware of. Now, let me tell you a little bit about my bonus since we're already 9 minutes in this video. Okay, so here's my bonus I made especially for WP Video Machine, and these are 3 separate videos I made that is going to help you drastically with your video marketing. And so just to give you just a little bit about me, this is what I do full-time. I am a full-time affiliate marketer. AffiliateTuber.com is my website. It's where I do training and tutorials and teachings on how to make a full-time living from affiliate marketing on YouTube. Ranking videos, researching, SEO, all that. And so what I've done as a bonus, if you buy WP Video Machine, the initial product from me, what you're going to get is, first of all, a video that I'm making that teaches you how to optimize your YouTube videos, and this is critical for maximum rankings in YouTube, and it also helps with rankings in Google. But I do this, I actually charge for this service, and the past 2 videos that I've done over the last day itself has ranked #1 in YouTube alone, just because they were properly optimized. And most people are not aware of how important and critical this step is. And not only do I show you how to do this in the video, but I give you a template to use, so you won't have to worry about ever leaving something out. It'll all be there for you. You just fill in your details with the video and it's done. Second, ranking videos in Google. We're going to talk about this, and I'm going to show you some methods that you can use to help increase your chances of ranking in Google. I'm obviously not going to guarantee 100% that if you follow this, every video you make is going to rank in Google, because that's just not possible. A lot of videos Google just doesn't like. They won't show for some reason or another. But by doing these steps I have outlined in this video, you will increase your chances. And if there are any chances of you getting in Google with this video, they most likely will show up. Next is advanced YouTube ranking strategies. And these are advanced strategies that I use to rank videos for myself and my clients. So this alone is worth much more than just the product you're going to be buying itself. So I'm going to kind of break down and go over what this is, how it works, and you're going to be able to take advantage of it and use it for your own videos to rank them above your competitors. And so these are the 3 video bonuses I'm going to be offering if you buy the WP Video Machine through my link, which is directly under this video. And please understand, if you do not purchase through my link, which is under this video, then you will not be able to get access to these bonuses. So just make sure you do use that link. If you have to, clean out your cookies and your cache to ensure that you're getting credit to my affiliate link. So that's all there is for it for this WP Video Machine review. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, so when I put these future videos out, you'll be notified of it. And feel free to join my Facebook group. You can see it actually here on my Affiliate Tuber site, FB group. We do nothing but talk about video marketing. And so you're more than welcome to join us there. So take care, guys.